Now we're here. We're going home. Hindi na talaga nag...
Si Feb lang, dalawang ulaman na, di ba?
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I and faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, torn up sheets, all the feathers. There's a picket fence somewhere, nothing better. A dose of Chanel perfume and coffee in the afternoon. You way ahead of the side, flip it in the mirror until you get it right. My pillow's in the shape of you. I'm kind of afraid to move.
Today is Saturday.
No Saturday.
A day after Ate Belle got married. I haven't been in the shower yet, but this kid wants breakfast, so we're gonna go get some breakfast. Where's your shoes? Go get your shoes now. You're gonna get eggs. Go get your shoes. So we are gonna get ready. Let's go.
Ano na?
Ang haba na pangalan niya. Lily Hailey De Leon Macqueen. Ow, my hair.
Yeah. My door.
I need a hairbrush.
My door.
Wait lang, I need to get my... Ang mga batang ito.
My
May glasses so I can hide my eyes.
door. This is the pin. Going back in. Get on.
Let's go, guys.
Mommy said, first eat breakfast, then upstairs, have a shower, and then we're going.
What time is it, Auntie? Auntie! What time is it? It's... Wait lang, what happened na? 9:20.
Hooray!
Ba't tayo nalilita? Ba't tayo bababa?
It's coming from there. Someone's playing the drums.
Dito kami sa McDonald's Alabang. Nag-ano pala sila dito, nag-co-construct. This one wants McDonald's. This one does not want. So, si auntie na lang pinabili namin sa loob. While we are here outside, waiting na lang. Kasi may makulit. Makulit. Gusto niya lang Kinder Egg sa 7-Eleven. Kulit. Kulit. Saturday chicken.
Yummy chicken.
Yeah, you can eat chicken.
Yummy.
Because it's Saturday.
Yum, 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 yum. Saturday, chili crackers. More ice cream.
Hello, what's this?
Okay.
Bye!
First thing he did as soon as he woke up this morning, he goes, "Hello!" We're back in our hotel. The kids, Aiden does not like it there. So, adjust tayo. We ordered some food to go. And now we're here.
I need a
We're going home.
Why? I wanna stay here. I could live here.
like
Parang si
Lily.
Lily.
Lily also said I could leave.
I could live here, daw sabi niya. I don't know what is it about hotel rooms, no? Bakit
Ang hirap
gusto mo sa hotel?
umalis. At the same
Fine.
time, may kasama.
Why do you want, bakit gusto mo sa hotel? Like, may aircon na naman sa bahay. May
Ang
higaan.
peaceful lang. Ano parang ano?
Peaceful din naman sa bahay natin ah.
Peaceful din naman, pero hindi ganun ka.
Kasi wala silang mga librong maikakalat. Si Lily naman, because they have hot water here. My favorite meal sa McDonald's is yung kalang chicken and then fried rice sa umaga. Yung kanilang garlic rice with some eggs and ketchup. Mas prefer ko siyang kung isaw-saw yung chicken sa tomato ketchup nila than the gravy. I mean, I still have gravy. Pero pinagsasalitan ko sila. It's just so nice.
Gravy.
Gravy. What's that? Gravy. Wow. I eat first.
Good afternoon guys. Nakauwi na kami. And nagpo-prepare lang na ako ng dinner ngayon. For our dinner, ang dinner natin for today is pangat ata tawag dito. Yung yung may kamatis tapos gulay na isda. So meron akong galunggong. Okay sana siya ipangat pero mas prefer ng aking pamilya. Alam pa ng mga anak ko yung pritong galunggong. So what I will be doing is magsasabaw ako ng, hindi ko alam kung anong isda to eh, pero pinapangat to eh. And then, yung galunggong, ipaprito ko. Nung nabili ko to, fresh na fresh talaga. Mas masarap yung isda na talagang fresh na bagong huli. Pero, since hindi naman ako makakapamalengke everyday, ayan na lang. Pinrosen ko na lang siya. Ganon din naman. Pakulo tayo ng tubig na may asin. Yung first time ako nagluto nito, Diyos ko, parang 2 araw ata namin siyang tinipid-tipid. Kasi yung mga bata, sarap na sarap kahit sa sabaw lang. Pati kami ni Sassy, sarap na sarap din. Namiss ko talaga mag-isda. But, yung dinner natin for tonight. Balik pag-aaral ang natin. Tapos na ang bakasyon. Tapos ang kasal, tapos ng pahinga, balik pag-aaral.
Did Dorothy see one dog? Mermaid?
Yeah,
Wait,
put number 1 on it, next to it.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Lily's doing a book report. Mamaya anahin natin siya. Meron naman siyang online quizzes na kailangan gawin. So, book report muna. Ang bango na niya. Ang bango na agad. Yan. Ito yung isdang sinabawan ko. I'm not sure kung anong isda ito eh. But ayan siya. And then, yung gulay na available sa ating ref is kangkong. So, yan yung ating ilalagay na gulay. First book report ever ito ni Lily. Pero, I'm so proud of her kasi she's doing it on her own. She asked for some questions kasi nga, first time niya. But yung mga sinasagot niya talagang all on her own. So, proud of her. Kaya na pala, nasa hotel kami. Mga ayaw mag-uwian. Kahit ako parang ayoko umuwi. Sabi ko kay Lily, para rin naman tayo nakatira sa sa hotel. Diba? May elevator. May pool. May mga amenities. Yun lang, hindi tayo naka-carpet. Tapos, yung beds kasi sa hotel talagang sobrang komportable, diba? Komportable din naman yung bed namin, pero iba kasi doon. Ano pa ba? Or maybe part of it is sa hotel, hindi mo kailangan maglinis at magluto. Maybe because sa hotel, less yung responsibility. Try natin ang sabaw. Sana tama na yung pang-asim kasi wala na akong kalamansi. kulang pang asim. So, since wala na tayong kalamansi, mag-ano na lang ako. Kinulang sa asim. Let's try. Dapat naging maasim naman siya. So, prito tayo ng galunggong. So nice.
Iba-iba talaga yung price sa mga pale-pale.
Perfect na. I'm so excited. Tingnan nyo, kahit na frozen na siya, be. Hindi linaw pa rin ng mata.
Baka wala siya kasi mag-isip.
Kakainis yun. Good job. Say good.
Morning.
Good morning. Morning, guys. And we are going to Palengke.
No
Mamalengke tayo.
Thursday.
Okay, no Thursday. Mamalengke tayo today. Meron kaming napupuntahan na malapit sa palengke. Isang sakay lang siya ng jeep. And nag-try na ako mamalengke dun last week. And I loved it so much kasi ang fresh ng isda. So, punta tayo ngayon doon. Yung aking anak may baon pang tubig, may mga baon siyang libro. Ang bigat-bigat niyang backpack niya. Kasi he would bring as much book as he can. So, minsan 10, minsan 12 na books yung dala niya. And hindi namin siya mapigilan. Yun yung gusto niyang gawin. So, pagkagaling work, te, labas tayo, te. Ito tayong palengke.
Uwi na pala tayo, te.
Ang init. Wala pa yung masasakyan. AA is in riding a jeepney. Galunggong? Ito? Galunggong. No, Miss Rachel, no. Tilapia, te. Pwede, ay, sige, te. Pwede. 1, 2, 3. 4. Maliliit lang. Yeah.
Huwag na na.
Ting tilapia.
Isang tilapia din. Iwan.
Ito ba? Ako. Masaya.
Malaki.
Malaki ako.
Buhay to.
176.
Kiss mo daw muna yung tilapia. Sige po. Palinis na din po. Tsaka pa hiwa sa gitna. Yeah? We'll get apple. What else? Apa?
Tapos pa,
Ganda ng hipo nila. Nalaki yun.
yung
65 lang. Dalawang ulaman na, di ba? Oh, come on, we'll find apple. Come on, let's find apple. Hanap ako muna ng apple ko, ha? Hindi pa naman ako tapos dyan, eh. Thank you. Where's the apple, then? They don't have apple here. Keep going. This way. Come on, let's find apple, then. Come here. Sunod ka kay mama. Wala ata silang apple, anak. They have banana. Yung banana. There's no apple. Ah, there, apple. Yung banana or apple. Keep walking. Keep walking. There, apple. Yan, apple. There's apple. Yung banana. Apo. Ito na lang po.
Banana.
Ito yung isang, pero 3.50.
3.50. So,
Anyway, doon, 60 yung kilo.
Yeah, we're buying tomato. You have to wait.
No, 6.10 po. Balik na lang kayo mamaya, ma'am, sa katindahan. Ay, lakay! 6.
Ay, sorry baby.
Sige.
Ito po. Ay, wait. You have to wait. We got something there. We have to pay first. You have to pay first. Ay, ko. Apo. Hello guys, nakauwi na kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon sa palengke kasi itong makulit kong anak ito. I don't know. Ayan guys, we are home. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa palengke kasi yung aking bunso, apakakulit. Ang hirap. Ayan, so naglista na ako ng iuulam natin for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Ayan, so meron ako dong beef na na-defrost, so kailangan ko siya iluto. Gawin natin siyang parang pepper. Pwede pa yung kanin na sinaing? I-ano ko, isasangag ko. Malamig naman dito, di ba? Tapos, gagawin natin parang pepper lunch. So, gawin natin beef, tapos rice. Sasalagyan ko ng corn. So, masarap yun. And then, toge for tonight with pork, hopefully. Ayan. Well, depende siya sa kung gaano kadami yung beef. Kasi kung marami, pwede na siya hanggang gabi. Tapos, tomorrow, ginataang kalabasa with pork. Yan, matagal-tagal na ako nakakain yan. Yung mga kids ko, hindi ko pa nalulutuan yan ever. So, hopefully, magustuhan nila. And then, may spam pa dyan na nabuksan natin. So, kailangan rin maluto na yon. Ginisang repolyo with carrots at egg. Nahanap ko yon sa recipes ng panlasang Pinoy na panggulay. So, I've been thinking of making mga ulam ng mga gulay-gulay, isda, ganyan. Para maiba naman and also para din, syempre, may mga bata tayo para medyo healthy naman yung kanilang mga kinakain. Tapos, meron tayong bangus. Dadaing ko yan. Ibababad ko na siya. And then, may tilapia tayo. So, magpa-fried ako ng Sunday morning, ng Sunday lunch. And then, for dinner, yung iba, isasarsyado natin. So, gano'n. Tapos, for Monday, maybe pork and chicken adobo. Tingnan natin. So, yun yung mga ulam, parang meal plan natin for the next 5 days. In fairness naman, wala siya sanang, wala sa ano sana yun, wala sa 1,000. Yung, na 1K ako. Kasi yung prutas. Nagpabili si AA ng mga daming saging. Hindi ko alam kung makakain nila lahat yan eh. Saging at saka apple. Yung apple lang medyo mahal. Parang 40 pesos yung. Malaki naman kasi siya. Yung apple. Pero doon kasi sa amin mga 25 pesos lang. 4 or 3, 100. Ganyan. Pero okay na din. So, ayun. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. And it's 9 in the morning.
No Tuesday.
It's Tuesday today.
No Tuesday.
It's only... What? Ha? Ano daw? Nagalit siya kasi hindi daw Tuesday ngayon. Sinasabi mo na, Tuesday ngayon na. Lily is in school. I am going to get some groceries. But before that, we need some coffee. So, we are going to a coffee shop muna. So, OOTD, parang feeling ko hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog na maayos, mga may pagpasensyahan nyo na. But, we have this on. Yung tela na to, kahit anong steam ko, hindi siya umuunat. So, ganyan daw talaga yung tela niya. Because I got this from Market something. Kalimutan ko na, but I got it from Dubai. When I was in Dubai pa. I love this pants. It's probably like one of my favorites. And mahilig ako sa mga medyo baggy na pants. That's why I am also looking for jeans na medyo baggy. Because I don't have that. Yung mga jeans ko mostly is like super form-fitting or skinny jeans. So, ayun. I don't know where I can find those. Parang yun yung medyo uso-uso ngayon, ano. Yung style ko is more on the, makaluma. Makaluma. Mas skinny jeans pa ako than yung mga in ngayon. But anyway, ayan. So, ang paborito natin yung mga crop top, plain black. And then,
or hat. So, yun lang. Wala lang akong earrings. So, we'll get some earrings. I did my makeup na din. Fix Plus. Matagal na to siya sa akin, guys. And if you've been watching my vlogs for a long time, alam nyo na I'm a very big fan ng Fix Plus ng MAC. But, nag-stick ako sa basic routine lang ng makeup, blush, eyeliner, eyebrows, and then wala yung mga priming na like, siguro, gano'n ba katagal? Parang mga 2 years na yata or more. So, I haven't used this in a long time until nakita ko siya nung naglinis ako ng aking makeup bag. So, I started using it again. And for our earring, hindi ko na alam kung nasa na yung hikaw ko, mami. Actually, dapat susuotin ko siya nung nakaraan. Kaya hindi ko na alam kung saan ko siya nailagay. Super unorganized na mga bagay-bagay natin. But, we will get there. Naayos ko na yung damitan namin ng mga bata. Kasi medyo lumulundo na to. These drawers have been with us since Dubai pa, And medyo lumulundo na yung ilalim. Kasi sobrang sexy ka na ng mga damit. So, I went through Lily's stuff. Kinuha ko yung mga hindi na niya, yung mga hindi na kasha. At saka yung mga, alam mo yung mga pajamas talaga na kawawa naman, butas na or talaga hindi na okay. And then we got rid of that. May mga damit siya na magaganda pa but super liit na sa kanya. Those one we will be selling. So if you guys are interested, follow us on Facebook. I'll link it down below sa The McQueens na page natin sa Facebook. And we will be, baka mag-live na lang siguro ako to sell those. I also organized the events kasi marami na rin siya na hindi nakasya. Actually, may mga pajama nga siya. Ito, ang liliit na nito as in. But, nagagamit pa niya. And since wala pa akong kamalit, like this one, gusto ko na rin palitan sana ito. Tsaka, ayan. Kaya lang, since hindi ko pa siya nabibila ng bago, i-keep muna natin until we're able to buy new ones for him. So, I'll be selling some of Lily's parang pre-loved na lang. That way, we can buy new ones. Siguro pajamas or something that she can use for school. Like sando, shorts, ganyan. Anyway, ano yung kukunin ko? Wala na yung hikaw ko. Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan. And pag ako pala nag-fold ng mga damit ng mga kids, pinag-prepare ko na sila. So, ganyan siya kapag naka-fold. That way, kahit sila yung kumuha ng damit, they can just take this or take that and naka-pair na. Diba? Kasi usually naman kung ano yung pares na sinusuot nila is yun din naman sa susunod, diba? So, ganyan siya. Tapos na-notice ko na mas madali siyang ma-keep up yung pagiging organized niya than yung kanya-kanya. So, with Aiden, guys, I haven't told you pala. Aiden, we started potty training AA and he did it na. So, he's been using the potty for, I don't know if this is probably too much information, but for those moms that are struggling like me, na because Aiden is on the spectrum, parang my fear, not fear, but my worries is that mahihirapan akong ituro sa kanya yung mga bagay na dapat na parang madali lang sana, like potty training, you know. I've always thought that it's going to be hard for to teach him, but it turns out it's doable, it's possible. Akala ko he'll be wearing nappies until he's 4 or 5, but turns out he can go the whole day or even at night. There were nights that hindi siya naka-nappy, naka-underwear lang siya. Hindi ko lang ma-keep up kasi I haven't bought him any underwears pa. Parang he only have 3. And that's not enough really for the daily basis. So at night, pinagnanapi ko siya kapag walang underwear na available. And then, pag umaalis, pinagnanapi ko siya just in case na yung lakad namin is medyo malayuan and then he doesn't know where to go, for potty. But yeah, at home, he doesn't wear it anymore. He doesn't ask na, Mommy, I need to pee or I need to poop. He doesn't have to ask for that anymore. He would just go and do it himself. So I'm so proud of him. And every now and then, he would have an accident, but very, siguro in once every 20 times na nakapag-potty siya. So I'm so proud of him. So proud of you! So proud of you. Mwah. Come on, let's change. So, ayun. Ang dami kong tinanungan kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin para maturo sa kanya to.
Mommy, my phone!
And isa lang yung nag-work.
My phone!
Wait, you have to change nappy first. We're gonna go coffee shop. Okay? You wanna go to coffee shop? Who is that?
There's a chameleon! There's a chameleon!
Stop, chameleon!
Chameleon!
Quiet, chameleon will get paid soon. You have to behave. You want egg? You want egg from the chameleon? Yeah. You have to behave if you want egg from the chameleon. Because chameleon will have money soon.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Wow.
Mommy!
Money. You good? Okay.
Ginanong tuloy ako.
I love you, mommy.
Oh, no! Tagal kasi ng sound eh.
Bukas na taray. Hindi niya talaga nagastos. See, it's doable, di ba? Unlike before, pag nag-ipon ka, 2,000 lang.
Tsaka pag nasa wallet ko, ay, basta may matutukot, sige, gastos ako dun. Pag andyan, wala akong choice, wala akong pera.
May pera ka, pero...
May pera, pero naka-ano.
Safe. Ha?
If I get my shoes.
Where you get
Oh my shoes, where are you going?
We're going to the
Coffee shop.
coffee shop.
Kapis lumabas. Parang tagal kong kinulong yung sarili ko.
Well, okay lang yun. At least, diba? Pwede naman every now and then lumabas.
Hindi, tsaka nung nakaraan kasi, te, parang wala akong lumabas.
Kahit nga ngayon, kung hindi lang kailangan ng
Bigas?
Nakapagsaing ako.
Meron
May isa
pa?
pang saing. Pero kulang nga, parang 1.5 cup lang yun. Ay, 2.5 cup. Pero,
Kulang pa yun.
Oo. At saka at the same time, gusto nito ng...
Wala na.
Yun yung madali sanang almusal. Kay Lily, yun okay na siya sa ganong almusal. Pini-prepare ko na lang. Ngayon tuloy, kahapon nagsangag pa ako para may almusal
This
siya.
way, like that. This way.
Tsaka
Go get your shoes.
Madali lang din sana yung bread. Tapos yung chocolate na palaman.
Yun kasi, parang nahahyper siya. Hindi ako bumibili ng...
Ay!
Ow!
Ang bagay.
Yeah? Meron siya peanut butter. Ay! Ang drama na na. Go get your shoes. Ow! Ano niya siya? Ow! What happened?
Mom! Mommy, I need a chameleon.
Oh, go get your shoes first. Ito pag hindi nakukuha yung gusto. Pag inutusan mo, magdadramay. Kunwari nadadapa. Oh. Oh, sus. Hey, Dan. Go inside. Good morning. Where are we going? Huh? Marunong yung mag-iya mo, hindi yan tatakbo. Hindi yan tatakbo. Bakit? Marunong, ano yan? Safe yan siya. Hindi yan siya biglang tatakbo, biglang tatawid. Nahanap pa nga niyan kamay ko eh. Ay, ganda nyo. Siyempre. Ay! Andrew. No. Kamis na to. Ayan, dito tayo. Dito ako madalas mag-coffee. Sa Coffee Bean. Dito sa High Street. Ayaw magpahawak. Diyan. Edit tayo saglit and then we will go. Little, ano yung Clarion? Little Clarion ba? Little... Ano kaya yung school yan? Lily's back from school. How was your school? Good.
Have fun at school?
Have fun in school, yeah. And did you know that AA went to check a play school?
Play school?
Mm-hmm.
There was
it the one from the other day?
The what?
The one from the other day?
Which one? Where is that?
The one that the kids keep on fighting and someone puts AA?
No.
Oh, it's a different one. How was it?
It was... No, we just went to check a school nearby. We're gonna go for lunch. We're gonna meet up with Belle and Gareth.
Oh, they're there?
Yeah, and we're gonna have lunch because they are going back to Dubai and England on Thursday. So we're gonna meet them again.
Yay!
Yeah.
When I looked there, I thought it was another person. But it was
It's Harry Potter!
yeah, when I looked there, I'm like, oh, just Harry Potter.
And who's that? Superman.
Hey, look! Hey, look!
He doesn't know them. Come on, let's go. Come on, Eden. Let's go upstairs. Ate.
Let's go, Auntie.
Lily, this is Grandpa's favorite band. Grandpa Charlie. Where's Eden? Come on.
McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's.
Look, Isa. Gorilla.
Yeah.
Come on, Downy.
My gorilla.
My gorilla.
Gorilla.
Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. My gorilla.
Are they here? Oh, there they are. We're in the car. You wanna sit in the car? Come on. Let's go. Oh wow, look! Look! Ay wow, nag-fist bump siya. Talaga naman. Kasya ba tayo dito?
Ewan ko lang.
Alright.
So kasi, wala desisyon eh. Alam mo ko.
That's a radio.
Pero sa tayo nakabla.
Galit. Sorry na. Diba, ginusto nyo yan eh.
Hey, brother went over that last night.
Oh, you did?
They hammers me today. I just said to it, it's good.
19.
Oh, he's 20. He turned 19 in December. He's slightly older.
Alam ko magkapare sila na.
Look, Eric Carle books. Here. Eric Carle books.
Oh, yeah.
Bakit?
Kami dito dati.
Ha?
Delicious. Big delicious.
Every May kami dito dati.
Silly Willy. Well, if we covered that,
my God.
It was Silly Willy.
Loko-loko talaga to.
Are you okay with that?
Big egg.
Foolish toys?
What do you want?
No foolish toys. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Babasa kasi.
Oh, careful, you might fall.
Hooray!
Very careful. Happy na siya. Actually, happy na siya dyan. Minsan umupo kami dito. Tapos bahala siya magbasa-basa. Tapos pag okay na siya, uwi na kami. Ganyan lang. Tsaka minsan, pag hindi siya obsessed talaga sa isang book. What's that? No!
Check it. Check it.
I bet that's expensive.
I know exactly how much it
That's
is.
expensive.
How much is it?
That's a lot.
1,170.
That's too much, baby. That's too much. That's too much.
But this is actually educational.
That's what she likes usually.
Yeah,
but that's
this
a
is-
lot of pages. Can
This
you
is what
find
I'm-
something else?
This is what I'm thinking. If it's educational,
Yeah.
it's good for her because she
Okay.
can read it
Lily
and she
can
might
find
still
it.
remember.
Okay.
Oh, Lily can find
Can we get it?
I'll try. I'll check. I'll check the
Lily will
money.
check first.
Hey, Frank,
Feeling ko siya una makakita.
Sino ito? Sinabi niya lang.
Oo.
I want you to have this because this is good for exams, and I want you to do really well with your exams.
Do you know what I bought her? 100 packs, and that's 5,000 packs. That's more. That's times 50 of what I bought. That's
Ano
why
daw?
it's expensive.
Ano daw?
I bought her a book.
But it's well worth it if you think about it.
It's
This is gonna.
100 facts about animals. What he bought is 5,000.
Oh my God.
facts. So parang 100 sa akin, diba? Times 50.
Diyos ko, paano niya naman maano yan? Ano? 1,100 ano daw?
Tapos 100 pesos. Grabe ka naman. Uy. But Lily naman. Lily, maybe you'll find something.
Phone calls.
What's this?
Ano daw? It's okay, it's okay. I'll take
That's
it.
similar, but that's actually more fancy.
It's okay, get it, Lils.
To learn stuff. I really do.
Because she likes encyclopedias.
I never got them when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When she was my only child, I give her anything she wants as well. But because since I had him, I'm like, okay, we'll find something.
That is educational. And I don't mind spending the money.
Lils.
To be educational.
Hey, be careful. It's okay, I'll take it.
Getting
I'll take it.
sweaty. I wasn't
I'll
sweaty
take it.
at
So am
walk.
I.
I wasn't sweaty at Walkman, but this one.
This is the Guinness Book of World Records I was on about.
Oh.
This is the 70th anniversary edition. So this is going to do 70 years.
Pero mahilig kasi siya, mahilig siya magbasa.
This is, you know, when I was
Kasi mga,
Na-excite lang siya masyado.
hindi.
Parang, let's go.
Hindi, pangarap niya yun, nakarang niya pa sinasabi. Kailan natin dadalhin yung mga bata sa bookstore? Kasi yun,
Ito isa. Happy na yan siya kasi nga Eric Hart. One lang.
may sarili na siyang mundo.
Pero pag kung hindi niya yung gusto, he would still sit there. Tapos maghahanap pa yun ng gusto niya. You wanna buy it? You wanna pay? Huh? Mommy buy this? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, buy this. Here, pay.
Ako na dyan. Ako na.
Nakakaloka kayo.
Wala na, talo na tayo.
Dave,
Yeah.
he used to get one of them
I
every
know.
Christmas from his mum and dad.
Really?
Yeah, that's all they wanted, one of them.
That's nice. Happy now?
Yeah.
Okay. It's
I
okay.
wanted to know.
Yeah.
I wanted to learn. I wanted to know about life.
Maybe she knows more than us, babe.
Hey,
She'd probably sit down and read it for a
so
few
bright,
hours
yeah.
and finish it.
Yeah. She's so bright. And I tell you what, she'll probably. Hey,
What?
One day.
What?
that is about everything. It's about mammals, animals, like
Human
whales,
brains,
the brains. If you wanted to become a surgeon or
Doesn't say, did you know that a baby whale gains about 200 pounds every day? That snakes uses their tongues to help them smell, or what human brain is 78% water.
Yeah, it is.
Did you know which one of it do you know?
Do you know your brain in here?
Oh, you know about the snake. Oh, she already know about the snake.
You know your brain, you know when you become an adult, like your brain doesn't stop growing until you become an adult. 21, stop growing. But then your brain will become 78% water. But you just think
My brain is
your brain is full of water.
my brain's probably dry because I don't drink water.
So your brain's not in the 78% water, and look how much.
How about my brain, babe? Ay, puwet.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.